Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Coffee Day Blog Hop, where Cat Scrappiness is a super sponsor. So today, the design team has all got together and everybody created coffee cards. So I'm going to get started by showing you how I put together mine. And in true fashion, to me, I will completely mess it up and show you what not to do. And then you can head on over to the Lawn Fawn site and get the correct directions on how to use this Let's Toast dynamic. So let's get started. My card base here is 4 by 4.5, and then I'm using the Nitpicky Lawn Fawn paper, and I am just using the dynamics from the Let's Toast set by Lawn Fawn, and I'm just gonna put a little tab here where I can pull up the little dynamic to make my little coffee guys come up from behind the sign. And here's all the pieces cut out, and you'll see there that I cut out on the green Lawn Fawn paper there. I cut the little notch there. I'm not sure what I was thinking, where the pull tab was going to go, but yeah, I fix it. No worries. I'm a person who learns by making mistakes. So yeah, now I'm trying to figure out, well, what the heck am I doing? That was silly. So I scrapped the green piece. I'm still trying to figure out what I did wrong. I sometimes I just don't know where my brain is. Nope, that's not it either. You know what? I should take my own advice and go watch these videos before I ruin my paper. That probably would be a good idea. But now I realize I made a mistake, so I'm going to take that little slot dynamic, attach it to the proper part where it needs to go. And right now I'm just lining it up as to where my little coffee sign is going to go on the front. Then I will tape it down and run that through my die cutting machine. Now we have it in the right place. But because I made my card kind of small and my little got coffee sign is kind of small, I can't use that little tab that you would normally use to hold your pull to keep it going straight. I did cut it out, but I can't use it. And you'll see here because it won't allow it to pull high enough. So I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way and just use my double-sided foam adhesive on either side of that pull tab to keep it from shifting back and forth. Works just as good as that little, since I'm going to pop it up anyway, as that little holder is. But here's where my little coffee guys are going to go. And I'm going to have them pop up from behind my sign. So let's get started on the sign. Now I used that green paper. I'm going to have to cut myself a new piece because what I wanted to do was to have the green showing through with the Got Coffee sign through the orange, and then realized after I did it that they were too close in color, so I end up just backing it with some brown cardstock, but you'll see in a second. So I've put on using the white embossing powder, I put the tops on my little coffee guys. I've got all the foam adhesive on the back to make it level, and here's my little Got Coffee sign, and that is the Got Coffee dynamic by Cat Scrappiness. I'm going to place that down to where you can just pop up. There's my little guys that pop up from behind. And now I'm just going to kind of decorate my little Got Coffee sign with some hearts and some stars, just to give it, of course I have to have some sparkle on there because I have to have sparkle on everything. I'm just going to glue those down in place. And then I will have links below to the products and where to head next in the blog hop so that you can see all the design team projects and everybody's wonderful coffee cards. Mine was a disaster, but hey, I think I'm getting quite the reputation for making mistakes here, so I really do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you like this card, and I will see you again real soon with another card project from Cat Scrappiness. Have a great week. Bye-bye.